This is the season to tackle home renovations. You got to get ready for the winter before it gets too cold, if you're in the colder climate. Some of the must-haves, well, I gotta have to say, man, this right here, this is on top of my list. This is DAP Rapid Fuse All-Purpose Adhesive. This takes care of any kind of breaks you have. So people come over, they step on a remote control, they knock over a mug. Stuff needs to be fixed. This is great. It bonds to pretty much anything. You hold tight for about 30 seconds, let it go, set it for half an hour, and it's as if it never happened. I mean, it's great. I mean, I know I'm gonna pull out my box of ornaments and there's gonna be a broken ornament, or there's gonna be a broken, holiday decoration. And this is something you really need to have around the house. Caulking, well, that's a big thing. You go to somebody's house, somebody's bathroom or kitchen, and you see mold around, where the caulking is, around the tub or around the backsplash area. Not a good look, right? So you wanna get rid of that. You wanna take a knife, get in there, pull it all out, clean it, let it dry, and then you're gonna put this product in here. It's another great DAP product. It's DAP's Quick Seal with ultra premium siliconized sealant. Put it on, smooth it all out, let it set for about 4 hours, and you're good to go. It's waterproof, obviously soap and scum proof, no dirt's gonna get in there. Has a lifetime guarantee on mildew and mold, and again, it's so easy to do. You can do it in a few minutes. It's so inexpensive, and it makes a big difference. Kitchens, well, let's talk about kitchens and updating that. What's the big thing? It's countertops, right? Everybody wants a beautiful countertop, but they want it to last, and they don't want to have to worry about it. That's it right here. The Stonica collection from Decked On, from Cosentino. Look how beautiful these finishes are. Unbelievable. And the fact that they are completely heat resistant and scratch resistant, put it over the top. I mean, you've got all these, I think they have 45 different finishes. And after all that, you don't even have to ever seal it. It's completely maintenance free. Unlike stone, where you have to seal it occasionally. This, you just have it installed and forget about it, and now your kitchen looks completely different with a product like this. Definitely check it out. Smart technology is being able to control your home remotely. For example, you want to control your heat remotely. So if you have a smartphone and an app, you can turn the heat up and down. Super important during the winter months. If you're in a cold climate and you leave the heat on, that's a lot of money. If you're gone all day and heat's on, so if you leave and run out the door and forget to change the heat, you can adjust it on your phone. That way you're saving money, the house stays cool, or stays, you don't use as much energy. And then, 20 minutes or whatever before you come home, turn it back up, the house is nice and warm, or however temperature you like it. Key is that you're controlling it remotely and that you're not wasting money while you're not there. Trane they're the leaders, they're the HVAC, industry standard. And you can go to Trane.com and find out all about smart technology and controlling your home and the best ways to sort of save energy and save money. Figuring out if you have to do something yourself versus hiring somebody really depends on your skill level, but just start small. If there's something that's electrical or there's danger involved, plumbing, maybe flooding, just let a professional do that. Start with easy projects around the house, like painting, like caulking, like all these sort of things, because you're gonna actually complete the project, feel good about it, and you'll want to go on and do bigger projects from there. So start small. There are a lot of things we can do this time of year to our home to get ready for the winter or the changing seasons. One of the most important things is your gutters, right? You got to clean out your gutters, because there could be, if you're in a cold climate, the frost heaving, it could freeze and mess up your roof, and then you have leaks. So make sure your gutters are clean. Another thing you can do is now freshen up the inside of your house by painting. It's like a nice way, it's very inexpensive, very easy to do. Crack open the window, get some cool air in there, put on some music and paint the room, and you'll have an instant upgrade.